The Molar Mass Interactive Calculator solves chemistry calculations for converting between mass, moles, and concentration. Let's explore the inputs. First, select your calculation mode from the drop-down menu. You can choose Calculate Moles from Mass, Calculate Mass from Moles, Calculate Moles from Concentration, Calculate Concentration from Moles, Calculate Compound Molar Mass, or Calculate Percent Composition. For this demo, I'm using Calculate Moles from Mass. Next, enter your mass in grams, then your molar mass in grams per mole. You'll also see fields for moles in mole, concentration in M, volume in L, chemical formula, and element symbol. Not all fields are used for every calculation mode. For our example, I'll enter 10 for mass in grams and 10 for molar mass in grams per mole. After clicking Calculate, the results show moles equals 1/2000 E plus 0 mole, which is exactly 1 mole. The calculator also provides number of molecules equals 6.022 E plus 123 molecules, which is Avogadro's number. This makes sense because we calculated exactly 1 mole of substance, and 1 mole always contains 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd particles. This calculator streamlines your stoichiometry calculations. Find the link in the description below.